Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trim and cut videos in PowerDirector. To trim and cut videos in PowerDirector, you are basically removing unwanted parts of a clip or shortening it to keep only the useful section. And this is one of the most basic but most important editing skills. And below there is a clear step-by-step descriptive guide for both trimming and cutting. So first what you need to do is you need to open your PowerDirector app on your device. So before, make sure you have already imported your video first and select your video file, and you can simply drag it under this timeline here as well, and the timeline is where all the editing happens. So in order to trim a video, what you can do is you can simply go to the edges of this video here. You can click onto this trim only, and that is it. You have just trimmed your left edges or right edges. You can simply release when you reach the desired point, and this removes unwanted intro or ending part without splitting the clip. And in order to cut it, what you need to do is you can simply place this red line over here. And what you can do is you can simply use the keyboard Control plus T under your keyboard, and it will automatically cut, and that is it. This is how you can trim and cut videos in PowerDirector. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.